waffle time. On top? Well, come along with me on a vlog. Where we're going. Okay, get this thing started. The front right tire has a always is low. I should replace it, but I'm being cheap. So, Orange County, cars and coffee, then getting in a lift, and then coming back, strategizing with one of my homies. Here we go. A San Clemente day. What's up? Saturday morning, Orange County. We're about to go to San Clemente Cars and Coffee. Then we're gonna go hit the gym, grab some lunch, hang out. Colin's holding the camera. Stay for the vlog. Just like fucking hit it. Super fast. Yeah, neighborhoods. I mean, this is chill. It's
I like it, dude. I like it way more.
Too. Yeah, so the girls. This feels like.
They'll probably have more friends here too.
Oh yeah.
Like way more.
Yeah. I told you they were getting coached by freaking Shane Sheckler.
Yeah, that's insane, bro.
Yeah. They're fucking good skaters. Man.
Yeah.
Like I was like. I mean,
do they live down here? Ryan Sheckler?
Yeah, Ryan owns the skate park.
Oh, that's crazy.
His brother runs it.
It's an indoor skate park?
Yeah. And
oh, nice.
Camps and everything, dude.
That's sick.
Yeah, it's super sick.
That's the thing, like over here, I feel like, same thing with San Diego a little bit, but action sports don't die here, you know?
Oh, no, not at all. You're right. Action sports do not die here. Do you know who Austin Keene is?
That sounds so familiar.
We met him at the skate park, and he and I connected and shit. He's the pro skimboarder with the
I was
dreads.
gonna say, he's surfer, right? Or something like that?
Skimboarder.
Yeah, yep.
He's like 36, but
Does he do
met
flips?
him. We just randomly saw him at this fucking pump track with like 4 other people there, and then become friends with him. And he's got like 890,000 followers.
Really?
Sponsored. He's like a fucking sponsorship with a boat company. Yeah, he's fucking good, bro.
Damn, a boat company?
Yeah.
They gave him a
He's
boat?
a pro. I mean, he's been on like, he used to be sponsored by Celsius.
Yep. That's crazy.
Yeah. Well, I think that you get a lot of that right here. For sure.
Yep.
Just like in Temecula, you're gonna get a lot of dirt bike people.
Yep.
Yeah.
Like KTM, all those,
for sure. I mean,
all those
the
guys.
Deegans grew up.
Yep.
So, but yeah, San Clemente's been cool, bro.
I think it's
just
more
different.
green here too.
More what?
Green.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I can see that. I can see that it's a little more green. I don't know why. Maybe it's just getting rain.
Yeah, it could be that.
It is a little more red. It's definitely more conservative.
Yep.
You know, everything's squared away.
I like I think the houses, the architecture, like everything is just better too.
It's a little newer. Like that was the hard part when we were. I mean, honestly, one of the main reasons we moved was not because we're like, well, you gotta get out of San Diego. It was like, we can't find shit. It's not some fucking
Dumb
house
show.
that's ran down by some Chinese investor. I mean,
Or
as much
just-
as I love my Asian people, the truth, bro, like the houses we were seeing is like ran down.
Yep. Or if it's not ran down, you're in $50,000 a month.
Oh yeah, exactly, dude.
Yeah.
You're literally right. Like there was nothing we were gonna get for like we were trying to cut back on our total lease so we could travel more and shit. And
Yep.
when doing so, when we
You
were
would
going from
just get a
15
dump
grand to
show.
10 grand, we were literally going from like our house, it was dope, the
Yep.
backyard, to like bad.
Something that's been rented 100 times.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. And the worst part wasn't the age of the home. I don't really care. This house isn't new. It was the care of the home.
Yeah.
They don't. It was like I told Alicia, I was like, we've done better renovations on fucking Section 8 housing in Oklahoma.
That's crazy.
I don't know why. Maybe it's just older or some stuff there. You know, I don't know. It's just ran down and outdated as fuck. But San Juan Capistrano, bro, there's some crazy cool fucking spots and shit over there.
Oh, yep. How far are we from Laguna? Like probably 40 minutes, 30?
No, 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Dana Point's fucking 10 minutes away.
Yep.
Like we could go downtown Dana Point and grab lunch. It's that easy.
I like this, the
I was
valley.
shocked about how close Dana is. Yeah. And Newport's probably like 45 minutes away.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Nah.
Have you gone to that Alpha Gym? I know you've been
No, I
there
haven't.
before.
I've been past it. I mean, I was always up shooting guns at that one place with these other dudes, and yeah.
Oh.
You gotta turn her on.
Yeah.
Sport mode. That was funny. That's a ski box on a fucking
I know you
porch.
saw that?
I love that shit.
That was so sick.
Yeah, that's badass. I
Yeah.
always want a ski box on this.
Yep.
That was sick.
I've seen them on Aston Martins too.
I love that look, dude.
Yeah.
Or like somebody with a bicycle, they take the front
Yeah,
tire off.
yeah.
I love that shit.
Dude, or like when you put your
Surfboard on there,
Yeah.
like literally use it.
Yeah.
I think that shit's savage.
Yeah, it is, bro. The bike is the hardest thing.
Yeah.
Like when bikers get rich.
Yeah,
and they just
bicyclists, yeah.
Like BMXers, they
Because
always.
people don't realize some of those bikes probably are like 15 grand.
Yeah, no, for sure. Like all the carbon fiber.
Maybe 20 grand.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Yep.
Fuck, I hate cycling though.
I know.
And I also hate cyclists.
Yep.
They're the biggest
You know what
on the road.
You know what are even more expensive is the mountain bikes, bro.
Oh, true. Fuck
Oh.
yeah, sure they are.
Those things are crazy. Those probably get to 30.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the one.
Yeah.
I've seen
Oh,
this one all
bro,
over.
This is vlogged by like people
Yeah,
across
this
the
is
world.
the one. Holy shit.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's sick.
They're filming a movie or something?
Something. I've seen that somewhere.
They could be. Start going forward? Yes. I bought it with them on there.
Oh, you did? That's your car, man.
Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it. It looks good. It looks clean.
Yeah, it's very clean.
Thanks. All right, Cars and Coffee's over. Let's go to the fucking gym, get a workout in, and get some food.
That's a weird. Yeah.
All right, workout done. Now it's time to get some chow. Colin, where should we eat?
I saw it in and out.
It's right there.
Yeah, I saw
I know. We got to go In-N-Out. Oh, what's the order at In-N-Out?
Colin knows all the secrets.
Yeah, we get 3x3, mustard fried, spread only, cut in half. That's what I do.
Dude, every time. With chilies?
I can, yeah, sometimes. Yeah.
Chilies. I'm all about the chilies. That's bomb.
Sometimes
Yeah.
those things fucking kill me though.
What, for heartburn or
No,
your
like-
shit them
like-
out?
No, they're hot.
Oh, yeah, I love them, though. They're so
fucking
fucking good.
If you get the seeds in there, bro.
Oh, yeah. I love them, dude.
Cook.
Yeah. I mean, nothing like a freaking In-N-Out burger. It's not comparable. People always compare it to Whataburger.
No,
It's a different burger.
Yeah,
You can't
there's no
compare the
way.
damn two.
no.
No. Back at the house. Look what we got going on here.
I mean, you gotta.
Nails.
They got new lights coming.
Dang, you guys got a whole thing going on here.
But it's my 4th of July nails. But like I'm due 3.
But it's not like it's not the like nail that we're gonna put on. It's like so
Yeah,
like
this is my favorite one.
remember it.
Whoa.
This is practice before they paint their road.
Yeah. You know,
Wild.